पयस सुवातेर म्हाका दिसता आमी जे बीएसीन जे डिस्कस जाल्ले तेजे म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर इज द कस्टोडियन ऑफ द हाऊस. When he is the custodian of the house, it is the duty to make sure that neutrality is maintained. Neutrality is maintained in terms of opposition, is given time as well as the ruling. But the way this government functions, I seriously have doubts. Jenna Business Advisory Committee meeting zada त्या वेळार we raise our objections. I have given written objections. Last time the Honorable Speaker said that written objections were not given during the meeting. It was handed over in his office. This time also it has been handed during the BAC meeting. And we have raised several issues about opposition getting time with regards to calling attention, 0 hours with regards to a budget session. Has to be much more. Several other states, you see, Karnataka, dusre state, they go for 50-60 days. In a year, they have a session. Amcho Sarkar, Nidla, also dista. And jenna Nidla, maga dista ki this is somehow democracy chair, maga dista, it is a threat to democracy. And the speaker, being the custodian, has to maintain the neutrality. Aaj, though the session is 3 days, definitely all the issues, this Sarkar is today a pot of corruption, failures across all the departments. We see issues that were raised almost 2.5 years back ago. Failures or Sarkar, fuck the event management Sarkar. This government is only wanting to do events, publicity, spending crores of rupees to show and maintain its window dressing करपाक कोट्यांनी रुपया or सरकार मोडटा. या सरकाराचो इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट सरकाराले फिगर्सूय आमी एक्सपोज करतले. खास करून ज्या पद्दतीन आज म्हादयचेर कांयच जायना, वॉटर हॅज बीन डायवर्टेड with regards to the unemployment sector. Our youth, they are killing our youths with the unemployment. They वाडत आसा. With regards to corruption, in the last 5 years, this is maximum. With regards to the collapse in administration, with regards to roads, उदकाचे उदकाचो इश्यू आज जो 24/7 तास उदो दिवपाचो जो सरकाराचो प्रयत्न जाल्लो तो मागीर म्हणूंक लागले 8 वरां, आतां मागीर मोदें म्हणूंक लागले 4 वरां, आतां 2 वरां उदो लोकांक सारकें मेळना. The way Goa's lands are being destroyed under conversion, the way Goa's जी आमची इकॉलॉजी आज ही पाड घालपाक, हे सगळे दिल्लीचे शर्मा वर्मा येवन हिंगा 50 कोटीचे फ्लॅट, 10 कोटीचे फ्लॅट हे कोणाक आनी कोणा हुसता. सादारण उदोक सारकें ना, कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी ह्या सरकाराची ना, कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी गोंयची कॅरी केला. सो बेसिकली ऑल दीज इश्यूज with regards to the way they have failed with the national education policy, with the way they have failed with restarting of mining, the way they have law and order has collapsed, all these issues. Tourism, high-end tourism उडा चोयल्यार आतां हिंगा दिसती पडे सोले कोण नागडे बिगडे भोंवताय. हे हाय-एंड गोंयचे टुरिजम हेल्मेट घेवन लोकां माताय, गोंयकारांक माताय. शेकाचे पॉलिसी फेलियर जाली, सगळे भायले मनशां दिले. सो ऑल दीज इश्यूज वी विल टेक अप, बट द Honorable Speaker has to give us time. 100% this is एक आमगेले एक हेरिटेज आणि ओल्ड गोवा ही हेरिटेज पाड घालपाक जेन्ना एक इको रिसॉर्ट येताले थिंगा, ते इको रिसॉर्ट बंद करपाक इन्व्हेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डाच्या नावान एक इको रिसॉर्ट येताले विदिन द बफर झोन. आज गोंयचो साहेब थिंगा आहा, इट इज अ वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज झोन. But this government does not do anything. They are not interested. आमची कल्चर पाड घालपाक हेंगेलो प्रयत्न आहा. They are wanting to sell all the lands. Land is the issue. Land is the hot topic across all the departments. The way reckless sale of Goa is happening is the issue across the state. एकल्या मंत्रीन सांगितला the value of land is more than gold and pearls. So this is the issue. Everyone wants to sell the land. See, our party people were there for that. Everyone were there. The question is protest. We are with the people. We are in the opposition. And definitely we will raise this issue in the House. See, directly I सांगता कि all the people whoever have converted land, especially MLAs, This is basically a reckless sale. Do you all stamp it? I sangil taka. You expose the names. Let the names come out. Hausa dit mut no. So can't now. We will ask him for to reveal the names.
ओके, तुमचे सेंट्रल लीडर पवन खेरे यांच्यानी दिल्लीन सांगलं की गोवा पीडब्ल्यूडीन 300 करोड स्कॅम झाला. गोवा काँग्रेस हाचेर काय उलयना सध्या?
This input has been given by Goa Congress because this has been related to the issues of the visit of the Prime Minister. This is an issue and the input is been given by Goa Congress. Don't try to create rift. We are one. Thingai Congress, Ami Congress, kind differences to create korban sonnaka. Basically, the issue is about post facto approvals. The way this government has been moving, post facto approvals giving day and night. This Sarkar, Pramod Sawant Sarkar, is a post facto Sarkar. And on nomination basis, basically looting the entire system in the state, and this is nothing but promoting corruption. It is not Delhi Congress. It is Congress, not Delhi Congress. It is the AICC, All India Congress Committee. The visit was highlighted because the Prime Minister was also part of these ceremonies where wasteful expenditure has been done in crores of rupees.